Here is a short film on how to create a movie using Paint files and Windows Movie Maker. First, we want to open Paint. Let's go down here to our Start button. I click Start, All Programs, and I scroll down until I see my first folder. It's called Accessory. I open it, and there is my Paint file. I open Paint, and I'll make a very simple face. There is the start of my face. There's an eye. I'll draw another eye over here. I will draw the insides of my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my fill bucket and make colors in my eyes. I'll make this sort of a light green in the background. Fill up my face. And I'll make a little pink mouth. Like I'm maybe talking. And now I go up here to my file and I hit File, Save As. I save always to my desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and name my file Face 1 and hit Save. Now for Face 2, I think maybe I'll cover my background. Instead of white, I'll color it dark blue. And then I'll go to File, Save As, Face 2. Making sure that I am saving to my desktop, which I am. Maybe for Face 3, I will add a different color background, and I will make my eyes seem like they're closing. So I'll go ahead and select my color black. I'll draw a line across my one eye and try and fill it in. Okay. And I'll go ahead and do the same thing for my other eye. So it's almost like my eyes are a little bit sleepy. And now I'll go to File, Save As, Face 3. For my final example, I will go ahead and make a little text. Hello, how are you? And I'll go to File, Save As, Face 4. Now I want to go ahead and open up Microsoft Movie Maker. So I'll minimize my Paint, and I'll go back into my Start button, and I find Windows Live Movie Maker. Here's another version of Movie Maker right here. It's an older version. It's just called Windows Movie Maker. That's fine to use as well, but I like to use the newer version, Windows Live Movie Maker. So I click on it, and I can click here to import my photos, or I can click here. I click here, and I see I'm at my desktop, so now I just have to find my faces. There they are. I select one, I hold my Shift key down on my keyboard, then I select the last one, and all of a sudden I'll see all of them highlighted. Then I hit Open. And there they are. And I play them in my little preview screen. and I can see my changes. To make this move a little bit faster, I select them by hitting the first one, holding shift down on my keyboard and hitting the last one, and then I go to my edit tab in Movie Maker and I take my duration down. I'm going to type in 0.25 and then I'll go and I'll play them again, and I see they're moving much faster. Easy, easy, easy. And then I can go to my home and I would add my title and my caption and my credits. There are my auto movie themes. I can rotate. I can add music. I can go here to my animations tab and add all kinds of fun, interesting tabs, and I can add all kinds of visual effects. And if I just hover above my visual effects, I'll see them all. And when I'm done adding any of those, I come down here and I check to make sure that my movie is just about under 1 minute, and it's really, my movie right now is just about 1 second, so I'd want something a little bit longer than that, but this is just an example. So let's say I am completely done with my movie. I go to my file, and I would say save movie, recommended for this project, and then I'd save it to my desktop with my first name, which is Stephanie, and face movie, and then hit save. Now, if I wasn't quite done with my movie and I wanted to go back and add things later, I would go to File and Save Project As. And I'd save it as Stephanie Face Movie Project, just so I would make sure that I'd have it. And that's it.